Time to violate some of my own rules with fixing dumpy bikes. The fairing here is not quite lining up with the holes to mount it. This is track bodywork, so maybe this is just the previous owner not getting things quite right. But the subframe seems unbent. That's the metal piece inside. That seems to be good and located. Like, I don't need to bend it to get it to match the bodywork, but using bolts from this side, this is kind of my situation. They don't sit flush, they don't quite fit right. Everything's not lining up, but I need the fairing not to come off on the track. The easy stuff last is usually putting new bodywork on something. So I need to make this at least functional so that I can ride the bike to figure out the hard stuff. Suspension, I'm getting there, getting the hard stuff done. I still need to get the bike jetted so it runs correctly. That's the hard stuff, because I gotta get into the carburetor in there and change some jets, take things on, off, back and forth. It's hugely time consuming, but I also need to think about bodywork, because this is slowly just getting beat to hell. This mount down here, another one, I'm not sure what to do with this. I don't want the fairing falling off, but there's nothing there to mount to. So I need to solve some of those things. This is the easy stuff last, but I kind of need to bump up its priority a little bit. Yeah, on this side, I took out the big, dumb, stupid screws that don't fit quite right. I need to put something else in these holes. Actually, it seems like they're lined up pretty well. I think I need to use the correct fasteners from down there. So this side should be good. This one over here, not so good. The shoulder on the bolt doesn't quite fit because the fairing hole is kind of not in the right place. So I think I need to Dremel that fairing a little bit to get it to fit better. Okay, getting closer here, and that bolt fits better. I need to Dremel this out, make the hole just a little bit bigger so I can get the shoulder bolt to fit in. Dremeling is done there. Hopefully I have enough relief that I can get this bolt tightened. I'm gonna switch from this to this so that all the fasteners are the same, as I have 4 of these and I only have 2 of those. Okay, that's the plot. All done. 1, 2, 3, 4. They all match 10mm bolts. They're overdone, janky, ugly, but they're not aerodynamic, but they all match. And they hold the fairing on so it's not going to fall off. Back to riding and jetting and short-term solution until we get new bodywork, provided we can get the bike to actually work and be a useful track tool. Anyway, that's it for today. Gonna say goodnight to the Aprilia. Good night.